welcome back to my channel, Robinson Unboxing. I'm Kirsten. So today we're going to do the Chic Beauty bag or box. So this is my second month doing it. Last month was so I really wasn't sure what was going on because I mean they have such a good reputation and everyone tends to like them. But I'm not sure. I mean, what was the last month? Just like a L'Oreal palette? Is it L'Oreal? Something like that. Something that you could just buy in a drugstore. And I mean, cheap at a drugstore at that. And that's generally not what I like. So I wanted to try it again in case, you know, some months just aren't good. Like every beauty subscriptions aren't 100% every month. So it does come with a palette. And I'm really excited because I can see through here, and it's Ace Beauty, and Ace Beauty is my favorite brand for palettes. I don't know why, I just love them. But so we're gonna dive into this. Okay, palette first because I'm so excited. Okay, and this is the, I think this is the April one actually. Maybe it's March. I just got one like 2 weeks ago. So I was like, am I getting another one already? That's crazy. Yes. Seems to be a lot of purples going around this month too. I'm going to cover up the mirror. And there we go. I mean, oh, I just did another video, so I'm kind of full. So I'm just going to work down here. Okay. So this one is Twilight. This one, I think you're gonna have to build up a bit. Not bad. And then we've got Night Sky. We've got Dusk. And, oh, that one came out chunky. I don't know why. And that one is Orion. So really, really nice. I mean, could have just been me with the way I did it to make it chunky. But this one will be my new go-to for a little while because I'm getting tired of doing palettes, which is weird because I have so many and I don't want to get rid of them. And I usually end up going back to them anyways. But something new, always great. So now we're going to dive into the box. Open it. It's going to look like this. And there is a little card. It is for the March/April, which is weird because I got a box 2 weeks ago. So did they give me a January box then? Because this is definitely different than what I got. So they might have given me a January one. January/February 2 weeks ago. Maybe because it was when I signed up. But anyways, so here is the card. So, let's see. So the Ace Beauty palette retails for $34.99. So, I mean, I think this box is $39.99. Maybe it's $35. So, basically, that one palette makes up for the rest of it. So, then we got Bella Pierre angled blush brush, and it retails for $30. Okay, I love brushes and I love eyeshadows, and I have said this over and over and over in a bunch of videos, but I don't remember ever paying $30 for brushes. Usually I get my brushes by beauty boxes and by picking them when I'm able to. So I might have picked this. It is quite possible this was one of my items I picked, but that's that. Next, a Revlon color correcting pen. Now, I'm not a huge Revlon person because I'm like, you know, I kind of, when I started with makeup, that's kind of what you went to because, I mean, it's just drugstore stuff generally, and I do have rosacea, so a color correcting one sounds like something I would pick, but Revlon doesn't. So I have no idea. I might have wanted to try them again. Get into it. Okay, there we go. So this retails for $10.99. Interesting. Oh, it comes out like a purpley color. I guess to color correct. It's wow, that gives off a lot of product. I did turn it a lot, but that gives off a lot of product. So, I mean, I will try it and see. I mean, it is like a purpley color. It kind of turns your hands. I can't even see in the camera actually. But I mean, I already have color on my face because I got the rosacea. So generally the greens cover up the red. So I'll see. Don't have high hopes for that one. I will tell you that right now. So next we have, what is this? Cream blush. Okay, Give Them Lala Beauty cream blush is $26. So, it's gonna look like that. I mean, nice packaging, pretty basic, but nice. Impossible to get into, it's Kirsten proof. Okay. And it does come with a mirror, but there you go. I mean, I'm running out of arm space. Huh. Let me go inside. This is something that you're gonna have to like build up because, I mean, you can barely see it. I tried here first, but you can't even see anything. So it is something you're gonna have to build up. Maybe it's just too light for my complexion, so that is a possibility as well. So that is our fourth item. And last but not least is a buildable lip color Lip Thirst, and it seems like watermelon, which is weird because I just opened. So this is going to be the color of the little lipstick, which has watermelon all over it, but it does not smell like watermelon. I mean, obviously cute packaging. So that is our last item for tonight. Well, for this video anyways, I have a whole bunch of shoe. So remember to like and subscribe. Now, if you subscribe, I mean, we are a new channel, but I am adding content every 2 to 3 days now. So we're getting lots of videos up, and I do have a lot of giveaways coming up. I mean, I get a lot of product and there's no way I can use it all or even give it all away to family and friends. So once we have enough subscribers, I'll start doing some giveaways. But hit the notification bell so when I do have a new video up, then you will get notified. All right, bye guys.